everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Happily Exhausted Mama. If you are new here, I am Shayoni, a first-time mom, and I share stuff about parenting, also product reviews for both moms and babies on this channel. So if you're interested, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I am there as The Happily Exhausted Mama. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Mother Sparsh plant-powered range. Now I've already reviewed the Mother Sparsh hair care range. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up there. If you want to know more about the Mother Sparsh plant-powered range, make sure to stay tuned. The Mother Sparsh range has been around for babies for a while, and now they have launched a range for women as well. So thank you to Mother Sparsh for sending across this range for me to try, and I'm going to share my honest review of these products with all of you. Now Mother Sparsh is known to use certified organic ingredients in all their products. They do use essential oils and a lot of other ingredients which might have a fragrance of their own. So if you're allergic to fragrance, you might want to stay away from their products, but if you're okay with fragrance and you love fragrance in your products, then go ahead and try these. So I'm going to talk about what are different products in this plant powered range. Now first of all, you have this plant powered ultra rich face cream. This is kokum butter and lavender oil. The next thing that you will find is a plant powered under eye recovery gel. This again has avocado oil and cucumber extract. The next one is the plant-powered ultra-rich face wash. This is enriched with earth marine water as well as vanilla oil. The last two products are the plant-powered oatmeal and honey face mask, and also the plant-powered shea and cocoa butter, cocoa body butter. Now I'm going to talk about the products that I really enjoyed using from this line, and you know how I have been using them. So I've been using this line for the last 2 weeks, and before I get into the nitty-gritties of the product, I should tell you that I have normal to combination skin. It's very humid where I live, so not all of the products in this range will work for me. I think this product is geared towards dry skin people, and especially during pregnancy, a lot of women face very dry skin, including me. My skin became quite dry during pregnancy, at certain points during pregnancy, and also immediately postpartum also my skin had become quite dry. Now it's gone back to becoming normal and combination skin. Now the products that I loved and I loved using from this range, the number one is the plant powered ultra rich face wash. Now this ultra rich face wash is for hydration, so it's not going to strip your skin. You don't need a lot of it. A little bit, you know, goes a long way. I'll show you how it looks. So it's nice and clear. So it's nice and clear, and it gives you a nice lather, and it spreads evenly across your skin. As I said, it does not strip you. You can completely smell the fragrance of the tej patta oil, and it also has a coconut oil, it has pudina, it has glycerine, and of course the earth marine water. So overall a very gentle face wash. It doesn't have any actives in it whatsoever, and it's going to give you nice clean skin. The next product which worked really well for my normal to combination skin is the plant powered oatmeal and honey face mask. This is a beautiful face mask. I think they know how to make good hair masks and face masks. The Deshmul lip was also fantastic. So this is obviously the main ingredients being oatmeal and honey. They have kaolin in there to nicely, you know, take out those impurities from your skin. It's a nice whipped texture. I really like the texture of this face wash, the face mask. If you can see, it's got a nice like whipped texture. So again, if you apply it, it's going to spread very evenly. You don't need a lot of it. It dries up pretty quickly on your face, and then you can just wash it off, and you will get immediately, you will feel that your skin looks cleaner and brighter. I have already used this face mask 3 times already, and the first time I used it, immediately after that I had a video call. People asked me, okay, what did you do to your face? It's looking so nice and bright, because you know I had just immediately finished using the face mask. So the face mask is definitely my favorite product from this entire range. The third product which I absolutely enjoyed, and I love the fragrance of this product, is the plant powered shea and cocoa body butter, shea or shea butter. So this is again deeply nourishing, deeply hydrating. It has shea butter, it has cocoa butter, it has again, it also has coconut oil, cinnamon oil. So all these things give it a very nice fragrance. It's also not very dense, like you don't feel like it's a very dense cream. but when you apply it on your skin, it gets absorbed really quickly. I love using it before I go to sleep, and it's got this really nice, like, it almost reminds me of Christmas cake. And immediately it makes your skin hydrated and it feels nice and soft. I have tried applying this before I go to sleep, and the next morning I wake up to soft, supple skin. This works beautifully. I think this is for all skin types. Body butters, I think this works for all skin types and can be used all around the year, even in summers, because it's not that super dense sort of a cream. It melts in easily and keeps you hydrated. So this is a fantastic product. I really like this as well. Now the other products in the range, this is the Plant Powered Ultra Rich Face Cream. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. This again has cocoa butter, lavender oil, it has coconut oil. Coconut oil is present in all their products in this range. This is a very intensely hydrating, very rich cream, and that is why I said it might not be the best one for my skin type, because it's too oily. Maybe it would work beautifully during winter. So this again gets absorbed into the skin very quickly, leaves it nice and soft. For my skin, I can probably use it as a hand cream, but I think it's going to work beautifully for people who have dry skin. The fragrance of this is also nice and light. It's not a very strong fragrance, so you would enjoy using this. And the last product is the Plant Powered Under Eye Recovery Gel. This is this nice small tube, and again it reduces dark circles, fine lines and eye puffiness. I don't suffer from any of these, but I can understand that it's nice and soothing on the skin, so it probably help people who do have dark circles and puffiness. Again, I'll show you how it looks. It's nice, and it's a gel like texture. So again, it gets absorbed into the skin super fast. And it's got a nice fragrance as well. So these were the products in the Plant Powered range by Mother Sparsh. You have to always remember, Mother Sparsh has no parabens, no sulfates. It doesn't have all the harmful chemicals. It's done. It's made in a very thoughtful manner. So if you want to use something which is safe on your skin and safe on the environment as well, then I would suggest go for Mother Sparsh products. I have not been disappointed by this range as well, and I'm looking forward to try out more of their products. If you have used the Mother Sparsh Plant Power range, do let me how you like the products and which one is your favorite in the comments down below. You can also find me on Instagram. I am there as the Happily Exhausted Mama. You can leave a DM there as well. So take care of yourselves, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.